Now unfortunately I'm left-handed, so it's going to be a little hard for me to do a full demonstration of this guitar, but we're still going to run through the different pickup positions and just make sure everything's working correctly. Okay, so I'm going to start in bridge position. Just make sure volume's working. Middle position, which is a combination of the neck and bridge pickup obviously. Volume's working there. And lastly, neck position. Everything's working there. So the next thing I would do is put the guitar into middle position, turn both volumes up to 10, and then take your hands away from the guitar. And you should hear no electrical interference or hum. If you do, it's probably an issue with your ground circuit. And if that is the case, I would just open up the electronics cavity again and just have a look at your ground circuit. Chances are one of the black wires that we soldered earlier has gotten loose, or you have a loose connection somewhere. Okay, now the last thing I would do is just check the neck itself. And what I would suggest is just running up and down the neck on each string. All the way, and what you're listening for there are any signs of fret buzz or any dead notes. And if you do come across any problems like that, pop the guitar up on the bench again and just have a look at your neck relief and your action. Thanks for watching.